Hi, this is Mariette from How to Expo. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to cook a scrambled egg with water. Just put enough water again to cover the bottom of the pan, and once it's boiling, crack the eggs quickly and whisk it as we did it before. Lower the heat and pull it to the middle until the eggs are set. Once the eggs are set, kill the heat because the pan is already very hot and it continues to cook. As you see, it's still again fluffy, moist, and contains no oil or butter. Season it with salt and pepper. And here is a healthy whole meal. You can serve it with toast, pita bread, French bread. Enjoy! Hi, this is Mariette from howtoexpo.com. Welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe, it is a scrambled eggs with green beans. Light, easy and healthy recipe. What you need is a hot pan, and you put like about 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. To the hot oil,